Have you ever wondered what sets SEO PowerSuite apart from other SEO tools? Finding the right SEO solution can be a challenge, especially with so many options available. Today, we'll explore when you should choose SEO PowerSuite over its competitors, like Ahrefs and Semrush. The SEO landscape has dramatically changed. Now, search is influenced by AI and is no longer just about rankings and backlinks. Why choose SEO PowerSuite? SEO PowerSuite offers precise control over your data while ensuring affordability and depth. If you're running a small business, budget is essential. Unlike SaaS tools, SEO PowerSuite is a desktop platform, reducing costs by processing data locally. You can manage unlimited projects, keywords, and websites without additional fees. For agencies and consultants, the flat cost structure of SEO PowerSuite allows for predictable scaling. You won't have to worry about subscription fees rising with each new client. Many partners say this feature pays for itself annually. Local SEO accuracy is crucial. SEO PowerSuite provides street-level tracking. This means you can monitor how your business ranks on a specific street, ensuring more effective local strategies. When it comes to covering multiple search engines and languages, SEO PowerSuite excels. It tracks across 28 search engines, capturing opportunities that other tools miss. Another key advantage is data ownership. With SEO PowerSuite, your data is stored securely on your device. You have complete control over what to sync, ensuring privacy. SEO PowerSuite offers exceptional technical depth. Its visualization tools help you understand your site's architecture intuitively. It allows better client communication and enhances your SEO reports. Furthermore, it supports hybrid workflows by integrating with Google Search Console and Analytics, yielding a comprehensive audit experience. Plus, it allows offline work, so you can analyze projects without constant internet access. This flexibility is a game changer for many users. In summary, each tool caters to different needs. Semrush is ideal for integrated campaigns, while Ahrefs is great for data-driven tasks. On the other hand, SEO PowerSuite focuses on affordability, control, and depth. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one SEO toolkit that combines flexibility and precision without breaking the bank, SEO PowerSuite might be your answer. Don't wait. Download SEO PowerSuite today, explore its features, and discover how it stands out in the evolving SEO landscape. Join the millions of professionals around the world who trust SEO PowerSuite to grow their traffic, boost their search rankings, and get real results, faster, smarter, and more affordably. Start your free trial or upgrade to a paid plan today or later to enjoy the discount by clicking the URL link in the description of this video. If you like our video, do subscribe, click like, share as the motivation for us to produce more videos.